You must work hard. You must work hard.
Will you work hard?
On Tuesday, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, closed its defense after calling its only witness against the 3 witnesses the Commission had earlier scheduled to testify in opposition to the petition filed by Peter Obi and the Labour Party, LP, at the Presidential Election Petition Court, PEPC. INEC's lawyer, Abubakar Mahmood, a senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, announced the closure of the first respondent's case after its witness, Lawrence Bayode, a deputy director in the Information and Communication Technology ICT department of the Commission, finished testifying. Before calling on Mr. Bayode to testify in Mr. Obi's case on Tuesday, the INEC lawyer tendered some documents which were admitted and marked as exhibits. Led in evidence by Mr. Mahmood, the witness told the court that he worked for INEC for 24 years. Under cross-examination by Patrick Ikweto, an SAN and counsel for the petitioners, the witness told the court that the software application was tested for the election on the 4th of February. He added that there was a report on the testing, but he was not with it in court. The petitioners tendered the e-transmission civil web and compliance form through the witness. The court admitted and marked the document as exhibits. The witness told the court that a pre-production test was conducted before the election.
Why do you?
He was asked if the hard copy of the results would differ from the ones in the IREV portal, an online portal designed to receive and display photographic photos of polling units' results in real time. He said no. He, however, added that anything could happen when sending the results from EC8A polling unit result sheet to the IREV. Again, he admitted that performance, functionality and vulnerability tests were conducted before the election. The witness agreed with Mr. Ikwato that the report of the e-transmission application identifies remediation to be undertaken to resolve the high vulnerability identified in the report. The witness said he does not know INEC's web address where its materials are published. While also cross-examining the witness, Wole Olanipekun and SAN, counsel for President Tinubu and Vice President Kashim Shettima, asked if the foundation and authenticity of any election by INEC are rooted in forms EC8A and EC8E. The witness said yes. The witness added that blood documents downloaded from INEC IREV would not affect the physical result in form EC8A because the image is irrelevant. He said the election ends with the recording, snapping and sending of results to INEC's IREV. Answering questions from APC, Counsel Lateef Fagbemi, also an SAN, the witness said the physical results are used for computing the election's final results. He said the glitches that occurred on election day did not affect the collation of the results. He added that if what was downloaded from the IREV was not clear, the physical results could be obtained. He told the court further that ECOWAS monitored the election, but he does not have their report. The witness stated that a cloud trial log account of INEC can be obtained from Amazon Web Services, AWS. After the testimony of the sole witness, INEC's lawyer, Mr. Mahmood, told the court that INEC's defense in the Obi and Labour Party petition is closed. Mr. Olanipekun later told the court that Messrs. Tinubu and Shettima, listed as second and third respondents in the petition, will open their defense Wednesday. The 5-member panel, headed by Haruna Samani, adjourned until Wednesday for them to open their defense. Mr. Obi and his Labour Party, LP, are petitioners in the petition marked CA/PEPC/03/2023, challenging the election which brought President Bola Tinubu to office. Respondents are the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC, President Bola Tinubu, Vice President Kashim Shettima, the All Progressives Congress APC,